What if a single infrastructure project could reshape global trade as we know it? Dive into the cutting-edge developments behind a mega project that promises to revolutionize how goods travel across continents, challenging traditional routes and logistics. Imagine a canal so strategically placed that it changes the very geometry of global trade. But the most intriguing part, how it could impact local economies and the environment. We'll get to that. In a world where global growth is projected to remain subdued at about 2.6% in 2026, and developing economies excluding China are slowing to around 4.2%, a new trade route could be the catalyst for change. The traditional paths of commerce are being challenged by a visionary plan that could transform how goods move across the globe. But who are the key players behind this ambitious infrastructure project? Chapter 1. The visionary plan. At the heart of this mega project is a plan to carve a new canal through a strategic location, promising to cut shipping times and costs dramatically. This canal is not just a feat of engineering, it represents a shift in how we think about trade routes. The project aims to create a new artery for global commerce, potentially increasing the value of world trade, which rose by 7% in 2025. But how will this affect the local economies that it touches? That's a question that remains at the forefront of discussions. Chapter 2. The environmental implications. While the prospect of a new trade route is enticing, it comes with significant environmental concerns. The construction and operation of such a massive infrastructure project could have profound impacts on local ecosystems. The canal's route cuts through sensitive habitats, raising questions about sustainability and conservation. Yet proponents argue that the long-term benefits, including reduced carbon emissions from shorter shipping routes, could outweigh the initial environmental costs. But is this enough to justify the potential ecological disruption? Chapter 3. The key players behind the project. Behind every mega project are the visionaries and investors willing to take risks. This canal is no different, backed by a consortium of international partners and governments eager to see their economies transformed. The involvement of these key players underscores the project's potential to redefine trade routes. But with mega FDI projects often hyped more than they deliver, as seen between 2020 and 2024, can this project live up to its promises? The stakes are high and the world is watching. Chapter 4. Impact on global trade. With trade in advanced manufacturing growing rapidly in 2025, this new canal could further accelerate trends in global trade. The canal's strategic placement is set to capitalize on these economic forces, potentially increasing trade volume and efficiency. As services trade volume growth falls from 7.8% in 2024 to 5.3% in 2025, the need for more efficient goods transportation becomes even more pressing. How will this mega project reshape the future of trade? Chapter 5. The future of trade routes. Looking ahead, this project could be a game-changer, not just for the countries directly involved, but for global trade as a whole. The canal represents a new world trade architecture, one that adapts to the evolving demands of a globalized economy. As new regimes take shape in 2026, this infrastructure could be pivotal in maintaining the resilience of world trade, which increased by 4.4% in 2025. But will it truly transform the way goods are moved across the planet? The promise of this mega project is immense, but so are the challenges. As the world stands on the brink of a potential trade revolution, the question remains, can this canal deliver on its promise to change the game? Only time will tell if this bold vision will truly revolutionize trade, or if it will become another ambitious plan that falls short. The future of global commerce may very well hinge on the success of this groundbreaking infrastructure project.